Hey, Hickok 45. Look what I have. Have a KRISS Vector SBR suppressed, thanks to NC Silencer. We appreciate having this to test in a woods walk because, as you know, no firearm is fully, thoroughly tested until it has survived a woods walk. All right, so we have a AAC Ti-Rant suppressor on an SBR KRISS Vector 45 ACP. Let's put one in the chamber. Notice I have no ears on. Okay, and let's see what we can find. These woods usually are teeming with the enemy. Speaking of that, oh, thank you. Oh man, there's usually one down in there hiding. Oh, there he is right there. Oh man, I risked life and limb for you people. Put myself in harm's way just to test these firearms. Oh boy. Oh, it's worth it. You all are worth it. I think I see one up there hiding in the bushes. Oh yes, I do. Got him. What in the world? That looks like a bomb. Who would be dropping bombs in Tennessee? What on earth? There's writing on it. Property of NSA? Oh, whew. That's a relief. Man, I was afraid it might be some enemy, some threat to our freedom dropped it. Whoa. What's this perplexing? Well, it does tell you something about our budget crisis. That looks like a bomb from the 50s or something. What the heck are we going to do with that? Well, I guess we ought to do what any good citizen would do. Shoot it and see what happens. Let's get behind a tree. We're unsafe. Let's get behind a tree up here somewhere. And if that thing goes off, I'm assuming it's a dud, or it wouldn't, or it would have gone off. I thought I heard something hit the ground in the middle of the night last night. Some strange airplane going over. All right. Well, we'll see here. I don't want to get blown up today. Behind this tree. Oh. We'll take a shot right in the nose. We need a pond there anyway. If it goes off. Okay. All right. Looks like we're safe. Let's make sure though. Yeah, okay. Huh. That ought to be diffused. If that doesn't diffuse it, I don't know what would. Oh man. Okay. Well, let's proceed on. See what we can find. We better reload. Couldn't have been from the NSA anyway. Everybody knows they wouldn't do anything like that. All right. Let's see what else the woods have for us in the way of danger. Oh, I see one up there. Let's do a long range hit. We can. Oh, I see what's happening. Here we go. Suppressor sends us left a little bit. Different point of aim. Got to remember that. I don't want to get killed for forgetting that. Oh, look at that one. Ah. See, that's why you got to be on your alert. You got to be alert. That one could have gotten us. Could have gotten us. I better do a tactical reload here. You never know. Clumsy tactical reload, but at least I'm reloaded. Oh, good thing. Good thing. I mean, might as well empty it. Boy, I think that's it. You just never know what you're going to run into in the woods at the compound, do you? And it's always wise to carry ample armament, whether it's suppressed or SBR'd or not, because you never know what you're going to run into around here. But with the proper weapons, life is good.